stickers are in my backpack.
Yes.
I've seen this famous truck.
Signing the Freedom truck. Lisa, some of your money just went to this driver here. Okay, we're gonna get up there and sign it up. Look at the signatures. Very much, man. You brought a tear to my eye there, man. I can't be doing that, those old boys.
Well, I sat in here a good many nights.
I'm sure you have, man. I can't take enough for holding the line, and we've been watching from Timmins, and it's been something to see, you know. Stay strong here.